What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a full day of eating, but first I have a client, then I'm training, and then we're gonna get into the food. I'm here at Achilles Gym in Belmar. See it right over here. We're gonna get started.
Flashback.
So one thing I forgot to put in was when I woke up, first thing I do, drink a whole glass of water, because water is so important when it comes to nutrition. I didn't want to forget that. I also like to start my days with some mobility, hip mobility more specifically. My hips get super stiff and I like to open them up. I find that if I don't actually do any hip mobility in the morning, then the rest of my day, everything feels a little bit more sluggish. So every day I wake up, have a huge glass of water, do some hip mobility, and then I get into it.
End of Flash.
A nice strong wrist, chest up, core engaged. Make sure to drive through those legs. Now I'm back home, about to hit a post-workout meal, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So I got some small seed bites and 2 bars I'm gonna break up and throw in here, a banana and some raspberries. And of course, some almond milk. Because I'm a basic bitch, got some pumpkin spice, or pumpkin pie spice, I mean. Put a little bit of that in there. So I got my bowl with my fruit, small seed bites. Yo, you guys are vegan and you're looking for a plant-based protein bar, these are the move. They're the best. They're owned by awesome people. Their mission is amazing. So now I'm just gonna take these ones and crumble them up in there. So I'm all about quick, easy meals. That's why I buy these protein bars. Basically meal replacement bars. You can take them on the go with you. You can make them in the cereal. Like, it's just so simple. I hate overthinking food and I hate putting too much stock into it. So it's like, what's nutritionally dense that I could eat real quick? I do this. My next meal is gonna be overnight oats, and I'm gonna show you guys that. And then I have pre-made food for later. And I cook everything super simple. It's like, I bake everything except for my tofu scramble, and that's really about it, because I'm lazy when it comes to food. So I like to make it simple. Here, I mean, again, I'm eating 3 of these protein bars and some bites, and they're about 16 grams of protein per, so I'm getting like 40 grams of protein, and then at least, probably way more. And then I got raspberries and a banana because I want to replenish those glycogen stores that I just utilized while working out. So, and don't forget to drink your water. So that was meal 1. I'm gonna put the macros up on the screen somewhere. Next, we're going to get into, well, so normally what my first meal is a bowl of overnight oats, and then it's the cereal like I just had. But I figured I would throw a little bonus in this video for anybody who is looking for a quick, easy, healthy recipe. It's really dope for people who are busy and don't want to put too much effort into food, but want to maintain their health. So we're gonna go over how I make my overnight oats. You can legitimately do this in an hour and eat it. So I'm gonna show you. 11-11, make a wish. So currently I'm on 75 hard right now. One thing I didn't mention. If you guys don't know what 75 hard is, I'll actually put a little thing up here. Basically, I gotta follow a diet, meal plan, whatever, so I'm just counting my calories. So first we're gonna need a bowl, and I'm using my scale to measure everything. So I'm gonna put in 1/2 cup in here, scoop of protein powder, put a little bit more. Also, side note, if you have a good plant-based protein that you enjoy, let me know. I've been in the market for another one. I've been flirting around with them and I'm willing to try stuff. So just take a spoon and mix it around. Sometimes I throw omega-3s in here, like flax seeds or chia seeds. I haven't been lately. So just mix it up. Shake your almond milk. And then I put a cup of almond milk in here. Yeah, there is a blog post on my website about it. You should go check that out. I'll put a link in the show notes. So used to saying show notes because of my podcast. I'll put a link down below. So you mix that up so that there's no dry protein. Get everything off the spoon. Grab our oats. Careful. Ooh. Put them in the fridge. We'll come back later. It's been about an hour. Oh yeah, that's what your boy likes. And I dressed it up a little bit, got some peanut butter, walnuts, almonds, blueberries, and well, the oats. This is legit like one of my favorite meals. Just simple too, overnight oats. You saw the time, it took an hour. Been a go-to meal for me probably for the last 3 years. I love it. Nutritious, quick, easy. You can take it on the go and put it in a mason jar. My recipe was a bit smaller than normal for this video. I usually up it. I put half in here and half in the bowl for a TikTok video. But guys, I mean, it's simple, delicious. The macronutrients will be on the screen. And it doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be a chore, you know? You can literally make this the night before. I did it an hour before to prove a point. Generally speaking, I make it the night before. And then all you gotta do is grab it and go. Again, put it in a mason jar, take it with you. You got a spoon. You probably put more milk in there and just drink it, I don't know. But that's meal number 2. And then I'm going to get some work done, take Bella for a walk, it's my dog, and I'll see you guys for meal number 3. All right, last meal of the day. You just throw a bed of greens down, and then I have all my all my food pre-cooked. I got tofu scramble, sweet potato, cauliflower, broccoli. Oh, I almost forgot. I got red lentils too. So here it all is. I almost forgot the red lentils. Got the sweet potato, tofu scramble, bunch of protein here. Don't sleep on your legumes, my friends. They're protein packed, high with fiber, and a bunch of nutrients. One of the best parts about eating plant-based is you don't look at protein the same. You get it from everything. Doing some podcast research. Got my boo. Actually, these next few episodes are going to be all about nutrition, so stay tuned. If you guys don't know already, I have a podcast called The My Muscle Experience. Check it out on all major platforms. Links will be down below. So I just want to say, like, again, I choose foods that are super simple to make, super easy, and foods I like. Sweet potatoes, I just bake them. Broccoli, bake it. Cauliflower, bake it. Tofu scramble is easy. Red lentils take like 3 minutes to cook. I let them soak for a little bit, but they take a couple minutes to cook. It really doesn't have to be complicated. Find real nutritious food that you will like and just keep eating it over and over again. It's really that simple. Halfway done. That was good. Guys, that's the video. That's pretty much it. That's all I eat today. I just have the 3 meals right now. I'm currently bulking, so I'm slowly increasing my calories, and eventually I'll probably go to 4 meals a day because I gotta eat a lot of food. So guys, if you took anything from this, let me know down below. I'm thinking about doing an actual meal prep video next. If that piques your interest, let me know down below. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, share it with a friend. And I'll see you guys next time.